Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Libra, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, okay? Ooh, lovers. Six of Wands. Okay, so Libra, this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy. First of all, we'll discuss about your current energy. Okay, so we have the Lovers. Libra, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Gemini with this Lovers card. Okay, so Libra, I would say that most of you are into your best time. Okay, some of you are really enjoying your best time. Okay, some of you are really with the person who is your life partner. Okay, I mean the person whoever you are dealing with right now, that is your true love, that is your true companion for your life. Okay, okay, so I feel with this card, Libra, you feel a mutual connection with this person, you feel mutual attachment with this person. Okay, you feel this attraction, this affection is not from one side. Okay, they also feel the same for you, they also have same emotions for you, they also have same views about you. Okay, so it is a mutual love, it is a mutual connection, it is a divine connection. Okay, and I also see that Libra, most of you are really planning to take this person or take this relationship on a highest level. Okay, with all the blessings of your loved ones, your elders, your parents, your friends and families. Okay, so you are really keen to take this relationship on a higher level. Okay, this card is a soul connection card. I feel the person you are dealing right now, you feel that this person knows you in and out. Okay, you feel that even though I don't say a word about my feelings, or I don't express my emotions very well, but the other person is very much into me, that they understand my emotions, they understand what I feel, or what's going in my mind. Okay, so you feel that you don't need to pretend yourself as a good person in front of in front of this person. Okay, so you feel that no matter how much I try to pretend that I am from some I am this or I am that, or I am I am something in life, but when it comes to this person, you feel that it's completely it's completely I mean, for you it's completely a failure. I mean, you fail to pretend in front of this person. Okay, you feel that no matter how hard I try to hide my things or hide my feelings, this person knows me in and out. Okay, so Libra, this is your current feeling, and we have Six of Wands. So this is your partner's current feeling. Okay, Libra, I feel that your person is doing a lot of hard work. Okay, and now it is their time to enjoy their success. Okay, they have won some battle, they have won some wars. Okay, they have been through a lot of ups and downs, lot of difficult times. Okay, in their life, now some good time has come for them. now they are cherishing their victory, now they are enjoying their victory. But I could say, I mean, I can see that this person, even though he or she, they have won this battle, they have got victory in this, war, but still something is there which is missing in their from their life. Okay, this person is not looking straight. This person is looking somewhere else. That means this person knows. I mean, even though they must be happy that okay, I have achieved this thing in my life. Okay, I have achieved this position, this job in my life, but they are waiting for something. Okay, they are not seeing in front. Okay, they are not seeing here, they are seeing somewhere else. Perhaps they are waiting for somebody, they are waiting for someone's communication, they are waiting for some kind of confirmation. So they are waiting for someone, they are waiting for someone, they are waiting for something, they are waiting for some news, some update, some information, some confirmation. Okay, okay, so this is their current energy. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you. Oh, Seven of Cups, Two of Wands. So Libra, you see them as somebody who is, very much in a confused state of mind. Okay, they have everything in life, but still they are really confused. I mean, sometimes they feel that they should go for a job, or they should go for business, they should go for studies, they should go for they should remain single, they should be into a relationship. So you feel that this person is little confused in life. Okay, you feel that this person doesn't know what they want. Okay, what exactly is there for them. Okay, so you, whenever you talk to them, they must be talking to you some one day they must be talking to you on one particular subject, and the other day they start talking to you on completely opposite subject. So you feel that this person must have, I mean, this person doesn't have any kind of a solid base. Okay, they are somebody who is like so much full of doubts, full of confusions. Okay, this person wants everything in life, plus, or I mean, this person wants everything. Okay, but they are not the one who is really doing hard work to get all the success. Okay, so as per you, they are the confused soul. Okay, now let's see how your person sees you. Okay, so we have Two of Wands. So this person is seeing you that you are somebody who doesn't take any action. Okay, you have this globe in your hand, you have these two wands in your hands. Okay, for you, sky is the limit. I mean, that's how they see you. Okay, they feel that you can do anything, you can do anything. Okay, nobody can stop you, but still something is there in your heart and mind which is stopping you to take any action. Okay, which stops you to take certain action towards certain people, towards certain situation, towards certain uh, I mean, there is something which is holding you back. Okay, so your person sees you as somebody that this person has this globe in their hand. Okay, so they see you as somebody who has everything in life. Okay, uh, they see you as somebody who can do anything in life. Okay, nobody is going to question them, nobody is going to ask them anything, nobody is going to poke them or stop them, but still something is there in your heart and mind which is stopping you. Okay, this is the reason you are just standing still here. Okay, you are not moving. You're not moving here and there, you are not going anywhere, you are just standing still. Okay, that means you are waiting for something, or perhaps um, you feel that, I mean, they feel that you are just seeing what is happening, or you are just observing what is happening in your surroundings. Okay, now let's see how you feel about them, Libra. how Libra feel about their person. Okay, Page of Swords, and how Libra's person feel about them. So we have Page of Swords. Libra, you feel that they are the one who is very energetic, even though they feel, you feel that you see them as they are very confused, but at some point of time you feel that this person has a lot of courage within them, this person has a lot of fire within them. Okay, this person is the one who always believe in taking action, okay, like that. Okay, so you feel that this person has sometimes they behave very immaturely. Okay, they don't even know what they are doing in life. Okay, and sometimes you feel that this person is like so mature that he knows what I mean he or she, they knows how what they want in life. Okay, sometimes you see them as they are confused, but you feel that this person has zeal to take actions. Okay, no matter how good, bad or ugly their decisions are going to be in future, but they are not afraid to take any action towards anything. Okay, if they are determined to take a certain action for some situation, they won't be hesitate. Okay, they won't be hesitate. Plus sometimes you feel that this person is little mature, that they know that when and how to to use their sword. Okay. Hmm. On the other hand, we have Five of Swords. Your person feels about you that you are being somebody who's being who has been dished by your own people. Okay, something is bothering you from I mean I mean there is a lot of scars in your heart. Okay, so your person feels that this person must have some bad memories or some bad childhood memories or some bad relationship experiences. Okay, so their own people, I mean your own people has cut them I mean has cut you out from their life. Okay, your own people have has defeated you. Okay, so at some point of time your person feels about you, Libra, that you are the one who has given up on certain people, on certain situation, on certain relationships, on certain situations. Okay, so some whenever whenever something comes in front of you, you don't want to get into all that things. Okay, you just want to be away from that particular situation, from particular person, from particular energy. Okay, so they feel about you that you are being dished by people, you are being cheated by people. Okay, and it's you who has given up on people now. Okay, it's you who has given up on situations now. Okay. Now let's see what Libra feels, or how Libra feels in this relationship, or what Libra feels about this relationship. Page of Pentacles. Okay. So we have Page of Pentacles in reverse. Libra, you feel that you have got something in life. Okay, you can pursue that, but as I told you, your person feels that you are waiting. Okay, you are waiting for something. Okay, nobody is asking you to stop, nobody's stopping you, nobody's asking you anything, but still something is there in your heart and mind which is stopping you. Okay, so that's why this Page of Pentacle cards in I mean this card is in reverse. Okay, it means that you are, even though you feel that this person can give you a lot of love and emotion, affection, okay, a lot of attachment, but at some point of time you feel that no, it's not it's not the correct time. Okay, perhaps this is not my person, or this is not the person with I can live my all life. Okay, so you are just holding back your emotions, you are not being the one I mean you are taking your own time. Okay, you are taking your own time, you are just observing things, how they treat you, how they react on your things, how they react on your silence, how they react on your particular behavior. So you must be observing. Okay, but yes, there is a sense of love within you, okay, for this person. Okay, you feel loved by this person, you feel happy whenever you talk to your person. But when it comes to starting thing, or when it comes to committing, you feel little scared. Okay, you feel that no, I should not do that. Okay, or I should wait for some more time. Okay, now let's see what your person feels about this relationship. So we have Nine of Cups. Your person is not doing anything right now. Okay, your person is being very calm and very composed. Okay, even though they must have so many options into their life, who, or perhaps they must be talking to so many people at the same point of time. But when it comes to love and emotion, they are, completely away from all those emotions. Okay, they must be talking to people, they must be talking to they must be um, dealing with so many people right now. Okay, perhaps some people must have approached them. Okay, some people must have offered them something, okay, in terms of love and emotion, but they are being very, I mean, they don't want to see them. I mean, they don't want to talk about those offers, they don't want to think about those offers, they don't want to uh, go through those offers. Okay, they are just completely ignoring all these offers, and I feel that they are the one who is waiting for you. Okay, see, this person is sitting here. Okay, this person is not going anywhere. Okay, and this person has little smile on their face. That means they are not angry with you, they are not feeling jealous with you, they are not judging you. Basically, they are just simply waiting for you. Okay, the moment you will come towards them, they will definitely going to accept you uh, into their life. Okay, so they must have so many options in their life. Okay, but still they are choosing you, Libra. They are choosing you over and over again. Okay, and I feel that you should not take them for granted. Okay, this person has so many options into their life, but they are choosing you. Okay, now let's see what is going to be the future potential. What's going to be the future potential? Okay, so we have Nine of Pentacles. Libra, I feel that it's you who's going to holding back your emotion one more time. Okay, you're not going to take any action, okay, in future as well. And you need not to worry at all, because your person is not going to judge you ever. They are not going to think anything wrong about you. Okay, rather than I mean, I feel that they must be uh, indulging themselves into their own growth. Okay, with this Nine of Pentacles, I feel that this is a person who is being very independent in coming time, who is going to be very confident and successful in coming time. Okay, they are alone. Okay, when it comes to emotions. Okay, they must have so many people around them, they must have a lot of abundance into their life. Okay, they must have good home, good pets. Okay, they must have good money. But when it comes to emotion, they are completely away from all these emotions, all these offers. Okay, I feel that they are waiting for you, Libra. Okay, so they are going to be the one who is waiting for you eagerly. uh, I mean, since they are, showing that they are the independent person, they they won't chase you. Okay, uh, I feel that they won't chase you, okay, Libra, in future. But yes, the moment you will come and the moment you will start talking to them, they will definitely talk to you, and they will definitely talk to you very nicely. Okay, so yes, I feel, Libra, you should take certain action towards this relationship, certain action towards this person. Okay. So Libra, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Gemini. Okay, with this Lovers card, we have water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So you must be dealing with that with this Seven of Cups, and Nine of Cups. We have Earth sign in this reading, so you must be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Nine of Pentacles. We have another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Page of Swords and Five of Swords. Okay, oops, we have Page of Pentacles too. Okay, Earth sign. And we have fire sign as well in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Two of Wands and Six of Wands. Okay. Okay, so Libra, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.